Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to unbox the OnePlus Bullet Z earphones. So these are Bluetooth earphones and I have ordered it from Flipkart and its price is around 2300 to 2400 Indian rupees, but I have got it at 2000 rupees Indian rupees. So let us open this and let us check what are the inside this box. So guys, as you can see, the packaging is a little bit damaged, but let us see whether internal package is good or damaged. If it is damaged, then we will return it, no problem. And here, as you can see, from here you can open this. So here you will see our OnePlus Buds. So there are nothing inside this content. So here, as you can see, here is invoice. So I will show you. And here, as you can see, OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Bass Edition and price is 1999. So this is the price of, so let us keep it aside. And here, as you can see, this is OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Bass Edition. So this is in blue color. So I like blue color. So if you have seen my previous videos, then I have unboxed the OnePlus power bank which is in blue color. So I like blue color, so this was that power bank which I have unboxed. If you want link, I will give that link in I button. So this is the OnePlus Bullet wireless Bluetooth earphone. So here, as you can see, the specifications, and here bass boost, charge for 10 minutes, enjoy for 10 hours, and here 17 hours of battery life. So if you use it non-stop, then you will get around 17 hours of battery life if you fully charge this Bluetooth. And here you can listen clear and stable calls. So if you use any local, then your voice may not properly audible. And here you can see water and sweat resistance, and here magnetic controller also available, so you can attach both earphones at the same place like that. And here, as you can see, the details of this. So here you can see it is manufactured in 2021 and price is around 2190, but we have got it at 2000 rupees. So they have not given any extra information about this. So let me cut this and let me open. So from here I think I need to open. So let me cut this and let me open this, guys. So I will show you the sample of music, also how the voice is. And I am using OnePlus device and OnePlus product from past 6 months only, so I don't have a better experience regarding this. So let me cut it. So guys, here, as you can see, after cutting out our product, then you will see a box inside this. So here, as you can see, this is our blue color OnePlus Bullet headset. So inside this box there is nothing, let us keep it aside. And here, as you can see, sound you can feel, and here our OnePlus Bullet Bluetooth. So let me take it out, and here you will see some user guide and manuals. And here, as you can see, our OnePlus Bullet earbuds. So let me take out this. So here they have given tape. So packaging is extremely good, and the Bluetooth is also good. So I have used it previously. Sound quality is also good. And here, as you can see, the OnePlus Bullet. So let me remove this cover. And here, as you can see, the power on button, volume up, volume down button. And here, as you can see, these are the earbuds, and here it also has the magnetic attraction. And let me keep this aside and let us check internal content of this box. And there is nothing. Here you will see accessories of this earbud. So here, as you can see, charge for 10 minutes, enjoy for 10 hours. So let me take off. Here they have given OnePlus cable, which is nice. So here, as you can see, OnePlus logo on this cable. Cable is very small, but it is okay. and let me see what are available. So here you will see a one user guide, documentation, and a Red Cable Club card. So here as you can see Red Cable Club card, and here you will see some extra pair of earbuds. So overall it is good guys. So blue color is good and black is also good. If you want then you can order. I will provide link in description. And let me show you the sample of sound. So this is the earbuds. So here as you can see some details about this earbuds, and guys you can charge it with your normal OnePlus charger. So it needs a USB type C. So here as you can see this is type C one, and let me show you the sound quality and sample. So guys, I have noticed one thing, that the OnePlus power bank cable and this cable which I have got with earbuds are same in length. So here as you can see, to turn this Bluetooth on you need to disconnect both these earbuds and it will automatically turn on. So from here you can connect with your device. Here as you can see the Bluetooth headset were connected. So simply you have to turn on the Bluetooth and you have to search and just click on that. So it won't ask any caution like pairing or anything. So I will show you the music sound quality of the Bluetooth. Here as you can see the sound quality of this earbuds. And here as you can see, so my Bluetooth is also connected.